Put a little bit of rice down. Turn it on. That thing's not even picking up rice. You can see the filter in there. Looks pretty dirty. Comes off like that. Looks pretty clear in there, but I'm going to put this part in the sink, give it a washing. That's the on and off switch. Open it up. There's a filter here. A little bit of dust on that, but not that bad. The inside of that filter is white. That feels just like a cloth filter. Yeah. I should just get my other vacuum and vacuum it out. There seems to be a lot of suction in there, so I'm not going to bother taking this unit apart. It's using one vacuum to clean another one here now. Oh, you can see daylight in there now, everywhere. At some time, this thing must have been sucked up some water. You see right there? Right there. It's pretty sticky. So I'm thinking that there must have been water on that. And that could have clogged up the filter as well. Okay, now I'm going to put it all back together and see if it makes any difference here. Okay, all I did was vacuum out the filter. I didn't put it in the sink. Because if you put that filter into the sink, you got to make sure it's real dry before you use it. Okay, well, I'm going to give this thing a test. And I haven't cleaned this attachment, but it's not plugged. So I'll put it on here. See what happens.